Cradled through England between flooded fields, rocking the rails, my headphones on. The black box of my Walkman on the table. Hot tea trembles in its plastic cup. I'm thinking of you, waking in our bed, thinking of me on the train. Too soon to phone. The radio speaks in the suburbs, in commuter towns, in cars unloading children at school gates, is silenced in dark parkways down the line. Before locks click and footprints track the frost, and trains slide out of stations in the dawn, dreaming their way towards the blazing bone ship. The Vodafone you are calling may have been switched off. Please call later. And calling later. Calling later, their phones ring in the rubble. And in the rubble of suburban kitchens, the wolves howl into silent telephones. I phone. No answer. Where are you now? The train moves homewards through the morning. Tonight, I'll be home safe. But talk to me, please. Pick up the phone. Today, I'm tolerant of mobiles. Let them say it. I'll say it too.